What's good today, guys? We're going to be doing a review on the Viking horn, the Viking train horn kit you can get off of eBay. These are metal horns. They're not plastic. You have a 12-volt solenoid with your wire leads coming off of it, and an air chuck for your hose. That all comes together in one piece. Let me move these wires here for you. You have your air hose, which is 1/8 inch. You have a horn button, which I hear are trash, so I'm probably just going to rig it up to my actual horn because I don't have one. You get 2 bags of bolts in that bag, and then in this bag for your hardware mounting, it comes with a yellow Loctite tape, and you have a fused wire which has a glass fuse inside of it. Your air compressor, which is rated at 150 psi, kicks on at 120 psi, I believe. It is a 12 volt, 22 amps. Your air storage tank is 1.5 gallon. It comes, this piece, this sensor, and the gauge all comes in a bag with the bolts and the thread tape. Also has another bolt right down there that comes in the same bag. We'll note that these are extremely hard to put in because the inside of it has a little powder coat on it from when they powder coated the tank. But everything up there is what it comes with. These tips, your ground has a circle and your top positive one has a plug-in. The holes right here are rubber gripped for the vibration purposes, and the horns also come with that mountain bracket on there as well. So if I'm forgetting anything, guys, I'm sorry. It is late and I've got to get to work in the morning. Sound check will be coming before May 2nd, I'm hoping. If it doesn't and you guys are wanting to hear it, just leave me a comment, remind me to, hey man, you know, do a sound check, I want to hear it, and I'll get it posted up for you guys. So anyways, that is the Viking train horn kit from eBay. You guys have a great night.